Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing the Walt Life box. If you don't know what the Walt Life box is, it is a monthly subscription box that basically sends you a bunch of wonderful, fun goodies every month. And I'll put like their link and I'll put my discount code and everything at the end of the video, just so you can like see everything. But I want to show you like what's in the box first. So let's do it. Okay, great, wonderful. I already pulled the stuffing out, obviously, because I didn't want to show you the stuffing. But here it is in case you wanted to, I don't know. So because I already pulled it out, I know it was on top, but it's still super freaking cool. I just need like some eyeliner, right? And I'm like good to go. Sweet. Also, this hat is like not cheap. Like it's an official, like it's like a Disney licensed hat. And let me tell you, these monthly subscription boxes, I've browsed their website a few times, and like the price that they offer for the monthly subscription versus the value that's actually in this box literally baffles me. Baffles, okay? Because I think like maybe one or two of these items alone is literally the cost of like the whole box. Like, mind blown, mind blown. I just wanted to throw that out there. Anywho's, oh my god, it hurts on my pen. Obviously, like this is more of like, I would say a more spooky / villain themed box because it's me. Hi, I'm the villain. It's me. Anywho, but this is so cool. Maybe I need to actually start pin trading and stuff. I'm kidding. I don't understand pin trading, but I do have lots of pins. I just don't like trade. Don't ask questions, okay? I don't know. Ooh, that is fancy. That is a fancy schmancy, fancy schmancy. A real heavy duty metal because, wow, just what? Look how detailed that is. That's nutso. And again, like I said, the official licensing and like the quality of this metal, I know probably in this single item probably costs more than everything I am pulling out of this box. I feel like I'm like, I don't know, pulling rabbits out, right? That. Ooh, look at this. Okay, okay. It's a Donald Duck patch. Look at that. That is so cute. I didn't even know Disney made patches, so that's just where I am in life. Whereas Walt Life box got all the hookups, okay? Oh, no, stop. An Ursula necklace. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, I'm gonna be styling and profiling. Obsessed. Stop. It's a whole freaking notebook journal. Y'all, what? Are you freaking kidding me? This is not real life. This is not real life, man. It even comes with a bookmark. It's a bookmark. I know, who gets excited about bookmarks anymore, you ask me? I do. And it's like a high quality bookmark, not one of those stupid paper things. It's a freaking leather bookmark. This ain't going nowhere. You ain't gonna lose it, it ain't gonna rip. It just makes sense. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. Thank you, Walt Life, so much for sending this to me. This was absolutely epic, you guys. freaking epic. If you already currently do not have a subscription, then I'm gonna need you to visit the link that I'm going to put down in the bottom. The link is also going to be in my bio, and I'm also going to tag it here. It's waltlifebox.com, and then my code for $10 off your first subscription is Villainous Ventures. So you guys need to do this, okay? Because I'm not kidding. I can, if I add up everything that these prices are, like, way more than the entire monthly subscription box cost. And like, what? It's like, it's not a joke. I'm serious. Like, I'm still baffled, okay? Freaking baffled. If you are an ultimate Disney fan, you need this in your life every single month. And again, $10 off your first subscription if you use the code Villainous Ventures. Okay? So like, go do it. Like right now. Right now. Are you doing it? Okay, great.